Four forces of magnitude 10 kN, 15 kN, 20 kN, and 40 kN are acting at a point O, as shown in figure. The angles made by 10 kN, 15 kN, 20 kN, and 40 kN with x-axis are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and 120 degrees respectively. Find the magnitude of the direction and the resultant force. So they are asking magnitude and the resultant force. So here first R1 is given as 30 degrees, R2 15 is as 60 degrees, and 20 kN as 90 degrees, and 40 kN as 120 degrees. First we will find the horizontal resultant components. So and along x-axis. So equation is as written as for H. H means horizontal force. R1 cos theta 1 plus R2 cos theta 2 plus R3 cos theta 3 plus R4 cos theta 4. So here R1 is given as 10 kN and theta is given as cos 30 degrees, plus R2 is given as 15 kN and cos 60 degrees, plus R3 is given as 20 kN and angle is given as 90 degrees, plus R4 40 and angle is cos 120. So 10 into what is cos 30? Root 3 by 2 plus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 20 into 0 plus 40 into minus 1 by 2. So it is cos 120 value. So 5 root 3 plus 7.5 minus 20 equals to 8.66 plus 7.5 minus 20 equals to minus 3.84 kN. So this is the resultant component for along x-axis. So now we will take in for vertical axis, that means along y-axis. The resultant component along y-axis is given by vertical r1 sin theta 1 plus r2 sin theta 2 plus r3 sin theta 3 plus r4 sin theta 4. So r1 is given as 10 into sin 30 plus 15 into sin 60, 20 into sin 90 degrees plus 40 into sin 120 degrees. So 10 into 1 by 2 plus 15 into root 3 by 2 plus 20 into sin 90 is 1 and plus 40 into sin 120 value root 3 by 2. So 5 times cancel, 5 plus 7.5 into root 3 plus 20 plus 20 times into root 3. So 25 plus 27.5 into root 3, 72 into 63 kN. So this is the resultant component for vertical axis, that means y-axis. So now we will find the resultant, that means magnitude of the resultant force. So the magnitude of the resultant force, how we will calculate the magnitude? By using the square root. So h square plus v square under the square root. So what is the value for h? We got for h 38.4. We got negative value, minus 3.84 square plus 72.63 whole square root. So now we will calculate the values. 3.84 is given as a 14.74y, sorry, 14.745 plus 52.75117. So after calculating the square root value, we will get 72.745. So this is the value. Then the tan theta value is given us. So why we are calculating tan theta? We want the resultant for directional force. For the direction of the resultant force is tan theta equals to V by H. So vertical force what we got 72.63 and horizontal we got minus 3.84. So after calculating this minus 18.91. This is the answer. So it is clearly that theta lies between 90 and 180 degrees. So the angle whose tangent is 118.91 means